My Whiskey Whiskey. He's my beautiful boy. Say hi. Hello. Today is day 5 of the Simple Life Reclaimed Thankful Challenge. So today, what I'm thankful for is my goats. My donkey, my turkey, my poultry pets. I never knew that I was a country girl. I thought I was a city girl until I got chickens, which was, of course, gateway to goats. And now my gaggle of goats, it looks like I'm a goat hoarder. Today, I would like to shout out a channel. I need you guys to go and sub them. Thumbs up, like button, Mahalu Homestead. I will put the link down below. Thank you everybody for joining.